start it now. Okay, last lecture there are 4 methods used for the detection of ultrasonic waves. What is first method, anyone?
Sensitive flame method.
Okay, sensitive flame method. Now what is, in short, please explain it. A second method is okay, second method, only one. Second method is okay. First one is the sensitive flame method. Second method is roll number 1. What is second method used for the detection of ultrasonic waves?
Kunz tube method.
Okay, Kunz tube method. In this Kunz tube method, long glass tube is there. When ultrasonic waves are passed through this glass tube, then lycopodium powder is sprinkled in the tube and collects in the form of tips at the nodal point and is blown off at the antinodal point. And this is first one is the sensitive flame method. A narrow sensitive flame is moved in a medium where ultrasonic waves are present. At nodal point, flame flickers, and at antinodal point, the flame remains stationary. And third method is
thermal detector method.
thermal detector method. And in this thermal detector method, this a fine platinum wire is moved in a medium where ultrasonic waves are present. The temperature of the platinum wire increases at which point?
No.
Nodal point. Means resistance of platinum wire changes at nodal point. And at antinode, at antinode,
Constant.
okay, remains constant. There is no change in resistance of platinum wire. There is no change in temperature, means there is no change in resistance of platinum wire at antinodes. So this is the third method. It is called as thermal detector method. Then fourth one is a piezoelectric method. In this piezoelectric method, this piezoelectric crystal is used. Example is quartz crystal, or another is tourmaline crystal. This crystal is stretched or compressed along which axis? Instead of stretching or compressing, what is ultrasonic waves are subjected along the mechanical axis. Alternating potential difference is developed along the electrical axis. And this developed potential difference is amplified and detected with the help of suitable MEMS. Okay, this is the fourth method used for the detection of ultrasonic waves. These are the 4 methods used for the detection of ultrasonic waves. Then write applications. First application is detection of flaws in a metal. Right, application number 1 is a detection of flaws in a metal. Detection of flaws in a metal. Detection of flaws in a metal. Okay, here detection of flaws. If crack is, flaws means crack or hole present inside the crystal. Assume that here crack is present here. One crack is there inside the crystal. Just from looking outside, we are not getting idea. The crack is there inside this crystal. But if ultrasonic waves are passed, these ultrasonic waves, they are reflected from this crack because there is change in medium. Due to change in medium, ultrasonic waves are reflected from this crack. This exact position of crack and exact size of crack. This crack means flaws. The exact position and exact size of these flaws is detected with the help of these ultrasonic waves. Okay, are you getting this? First application is detection of flaws in a metal. What flaws means? Crack or hole present inside the crystal. How this crack or hole is detected? Ultrasonic waves are passed, they are reflected from this crack or from this hole. Okay, means we are getting exact size and exact position of this crack or hole present inside the crystal. This is the first application. It is called as detection of flaws in a metal. Write it. Detection of flaws in a metal. Detection of flaws in a metal. Ultrasonic waves can be used. Ultrasonic waves can be used to detect flaws in a metal. Ultrasonic waves can be used to detect flaws in a metal. FLAWS. फ्लॉज म्हणजे डिफेक्ट, त्याला आपण डिफेक्ट पण म्हणतो. डिफेक्ट म्हणजे काय, क्रॅक किंवा होल. ओके, क्रॅक और होल प्रेझेंट इनसाइड द क्रिस्टल. ओके, डिटेक्शन ऑफ डिफेक्ट इन अ मेटल्स किंवा डिटेक्शन ऑफ फ्लॉज इन अ मेटल. Ultrasonic waves can be used to detect flaws in a metal. Second, write it sonar. पहिले झालं का लिहून? yes, no? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Second, write it sonar. Second application, write it sonar. Write it. The word sonar stands for. Word sonar stands for sound, navigation, and ranging. Sound, navigation, and ranging. Anyone who will explain what is sonar? Okay, CP is there. Ultrasonic waves, they are directed in all possible directions inside the water. If enemy submarines किंवा any object is present, शत्रूची पाणबुडी किंवा काय असेल, any object is present, then ultrasonic waves, they are reflected from this object. The exact position or exact distance is determined with the help of this sonar. काय sonar? Ultrasonic waves, they are directed in all possible directions. सगळ्या दिशेने आपण ultrasonic waves पाठवतो. If object is present, means reflecting body is present. Reflecting body म्हणजे शत्रूची पाणबुडी वगैरे काय असेल तर. ओके, enemy submarines, त्याला आपण म्हणतो enemy submarines. If object is present inside the water, then ultrasonic waves, they are reflected from this object. The exact distance, at what distance, the exact distance of this object is determined with the help of this device. It is called as sonar. Sound, navigation, and ranging. Write it. In sonar, the sharp ultrasonic beam is directed. Sharp ultrasonic beam is directed in various directions. The sharp ultrasonic beam is directed in various directions into the seawater for detection. Into the seawater for detection. Or into the sea for detection. Okay, second application is the sonar. In sonar means sound, navigation, and ranging. Sonar means sharp ultrasonic beam is directed in various directions into the water for detection. Okay, this is the second application. It is called as sonar. Right. Third is depth of sea. समुद्राची खोली मोजणे. सेकंड झालं का लिहून? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Depth of sea. How depth of sea is measured? See here, this is the generation transmitter आहे हा. Ultrasonic transmitter means ultrasonic waves are generated. These generated waves, they are directed towards the bottom of the sea. They are reflected from this bottom of the sea, and they are detector. Here, this is the detector. हा detector दाखवलेला आहे. हा काय आहे? Transmitter आहे. The ultrasonic waves, they are directed towards the bottom of the sea. They are reflected from this bottom of the sea. T/2 काय आहे? Time interval for sending. T/2 time interval for receiving. की जेवढा आज जायला लागला बॉटम पर्यंत तेवढाच आपण रिफ्लेक्शन. T/2 is time interval for receiving. T/2 time interval for sending. T is the time interval for sending and receiving म्हणतो आपण. आणि V काय आहे? What is V? Velocity. कुठली velocity? Velocity of कुणाची velocity?
Ultrasonic wave.
कशामधली?
पाण्यामध्ये.
पाण्या. पाण्यामध्ये. Okay, velocity of ultrasonic waves in a water. V is the velocity of ultrasonic waves in a water. T by 2 is the time interval for sending, or T by 2 is the time interval for receiving. Therefore, depth is equal to, काय येणार आहे? Depth is equal to, D is equal to Vt by 2. Depth of seawater is equal to Vt by 2. D is equal to काय येणार आहे? Vt upon 2. D is depth of seawater is equal to Vt by 2. V म्हणजे velocity आहे, T by 2 is the time interval. Write it. We know that application number 3, we know that ultrasonic waves are highly energetic. We know that ultrasonic waves are highly energetic and show a little diffraction effect, to stop, and show a little diffraction effect to stop. This can be used for finding the depth of sea. This can be used for finding the depth of sea. Therefore, D is equal to Vt by 2. This can be used for finding the depth of sea. Therefore, D is equal to Vt upon 2. Now, first application. What is first one? What is application number 1?
Detection of flaws in metal.
Okay, detection of flaws in a metal. What is second application?
Sonar.
Sonar. Okay, sound navigation and ranging. And what is third one?
Depth of sea.
Depth of sea. Okay, with depth of sea, D is equal to Vt upon 2. Okay, then right, next one, medical applications. Fourth is a medical one. Right, fourth application number 4 is a medical applications. Medical मध्ये आपण small 1 2 3 करू पुन्हा. 1 2 okay, 3. These are the medical applications. In first medical application is echocardiography. Ultrasonic waves are used in echocardiography. काय असते echocardiography? कोण सांगताय? To capture the image of, कशाची image आपण capture करतो?
Heart.
Okay, write it. Ultrasonic waves are used to capture the image of heart. बाकीचे डिटेल नवी एवढंच लिहू आपण, बस झालं. Image of heart. This is called echocardiography. बस झालं. Ultrasonic waves are used to capture the image of heart. This is called echocardiography. Second, झालं काही लिहून? First application, first medical application is ultrasonic waves are used to capture the images of heart, that is for echocardiography. They are used in echocardiography. Second, ultrasonography. That's the ultrasonography. सगळेजण वापरतात काय? This ultrasonography used to get this application of ultrasonography used to get images of इथून start करा. Ultrasonography used to get images of internal body organs such as liver, kidney, uterus. Used to get images of internal body organs such as liver, kidney, uterus, liver, kidney, uterus, etc. The second medical application is ultrasonography. Ultrasonography, it is used to get the images of internal body organs such as liver, kidney, uterus, etc. Uterus म्हणतात. Uterus means गर्भाशय. What is first application? First medical application. Hello.
Echocardiography.
Echocardiography. What is second medical application?
Ultrasonography.
Okay, ultrasonography used to get images of internal body organs such as liver, kidney, uterus, etc. Okay. Third, it is used to break
Kidney stones.
kidney stones. Okay, ultrasonography means it is used to break kidney stones into fine grains. It is used to break kidney stones into fine grains. Kidney stones into fine grains, which later get flushed out through urine. Later get flushed out through urine. Okay, it is used to break the kidney stones. एवढं म्हणलं तरी बाद झालं. It is used to break the kidney stones. इथपर्यंत स्टॉप केलं तर चालतं. Into fine grain which later get flushed out through urine. ठीक आहे, ज्यादा मॅटर लिहायचं असेल तर ठीक आहे, आपल्याला शॉर्ट मध्ये लिहायचं तर एवढंच लिहू आपण. It is used to break the kidney stones into small grains, into fine grains. इथपर्यंत घ्या. To break the kidney stone into fine grains. These are the medical applications of ultrasonic waves. This is the fourth of his medical application. Fifth, ultrasonic drilling and cutting. Ultrasonic drilling and cutting. Drilling and cutting. Ultrasonics are used for making holes in very hard materials. Ultrasonics are used for making holes in very hard materials such as glass, diamond, etc. Ultrasonics are used for making holes in very hard materials such as glass, diamonds, etc. This is fifth one, na? Fifth application. अजून बरेचसे आहेत पण we'll stop it. Sixth one is the in paint polishes. They are prepared. Two non-visible mixes are mixed with the help of ultrasonic mixer म्हणतो आपण त्याला. Ultrasonic mixer. Ultrasonic mixer ने काय केलं जातं? Two non-miscible liquids. कसले liquids? Non-miscible. They are mixed to each other using these ultrasonic mixers. Means in paint, polishes, food products in these factories, these ultrasonic mixers are used. Okay, these are the hello. These are the applications of
Ultrasonic wave.
ultrasonic waves. Once again, what is first one? First application. Put fast. What is first application? मी पण शांत बसतो. तुम्ही पण बसा. वैष्णवी मनमाने. प्रियांका जानकर.